this is a nice real estate agency. Let me send them a WhatsApp query related to my property requirements. Okay, so do you have any 3 BHK property recommendation? I think they will take a lot of time to reply back to me. Wait, they sent me the reply instantly. This is a nice business. I wonder how they are sending WhatsApp messages and replies super easily. So do you have the same question? All your questions are going to be resolved with this amazing video. Hello everyone and welcome back to the series of top 5 amazing automation hacks, and in this video I will teach you about WhatsApp hacks. I will show you 5 amazing top WhatsApp hacks that will help your business to grow to the next level. So what are we waiting for? Let's start with our amazing automations. So let's talk about our first amazing automation. Now, there are 2 ways in order to auto-reply to our customers' messages or inquiries. First way is creating an amazing WhatsApp chatbot that you can see on the screen. Now, I have built this chatbot step by step. I have arranged everything according to my requirements. I have created this specific bot for lead generation for my real estate agency. I have asked certain questions, like I have first sent the hello message and welcomed the customer. I have given them the option of what kind of housing property that they are looking for, apartment, house or commercial space, and according to that I have forwarded the next messages. So now what will happen, as soon as a query is been asked on WhatsApp by any of my customer or lead, automatically all the messages one by one like this in this specific same format is going to be forwarded. The exact message that you have written in all the notes are going to be forwarded one by one according to the options selected by your customer. This is the first way of auto-replying to all your customers or leads inquiries. Now we have another way. That is creating an AI assistant. So now over here, what is happening in our first case, that we have created the entire bot manually and it will run only in this set manner that we have given to this bot. But what if I want that I don't want to create any setup. I just have an AI and I want my WhatsApp to be connected with AI and the AI is automatically going to resolve all the queries. In that case, we have WhatsApp AI Assistant. Over here in the WhatsApp AI Assistant, we are going to connect our AI with our WhatsApp and automatically the queries are going to be resolved of your customers and leads. All the replies and answers are going to be given by our AI Assistant towards our lead. Now you might be wondering, how did I create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot and the AI Assistant? With the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can very easily manage your WhatsApp conversations and you can grow your business using WhatsApp as a growth engine in your business. Now over here using Pabbly Chatflow, you can create WhatsApp chatbots, AI assistants, send broadcast message and many more. Absolutely without need of any coding and programming skills. You just need to learn basics and you will be the master of using WhatsApp as a growth machine in your business. Now over here, I have created the AI assistant and the WhatsApp chatbot using this amazing software. I will show you how this AI assistant is going to work. See, WhatsApp chatbot is going to send the messages simultaneously one by one according to what the customer or the lead has selected. But I will show you how the AI assistant for the customers or leads is going to work, how AI is going to generate the replies and resolve all the queries that I have. So let me open my WhatsApp and this AI assistant. So over here, this is my WhatsApp and this is this WhatsApp AI assistant. I will ask my first question, that is explain the complete process a client should follow to buy a property and what documents they will need for each step. So I will ask this question towards this bot from my end. The assistant takes few seconds in order to generate the reply and then send that reply back to me. So I will wait over here for few seconds and within few seconds I have received this reply. Below is the end-to-end process. Urban Nest Realty, that's the business I have, recommends to buy a property with the specific document you'll need at each step and practical tips for our guides and FAQs. You can see I I have received the detailed reply. This is a very detailed reply from this AI assistant. I have my next question. I will ask that. That is, if I have a budget of 80 lakhs and wants a 3 BHK apartment with a swimming pool in Bhopal or Indore, which properties should you recommend and why? So now over here, this is my next question. I am asking a bit difficult question, that what kind of a property that this bot can recommend. This bot can give recommendations as well. So over here, I will wait for the reply from this AI assistant for the question that I've asked right now. And you can see right over here, I have received the reply within few seconds. Great. I've checked Urban Nest listings and found out 4 properties in Bhopal and Indore that match your requirements. You can see right over here, I have received the property recommendations as well. I have taken the example of real estate agency business in this specific use case currently, but you can create AI assistant just like this for any type of businesses that you have. Whether you have a fashion store, you have a salon, you are a doctor, you have a dry fruit business, any business owners can create amazing AI assistant just like this that can handle WhatsApp inquiries 24/7. You just have to create this AI assistant that is super easy to create, and automatically all the WhatsApp queries will be solved in your business as well. Just like this, customers are going to receive the reply one by one to all the questions that they have with the help of this AI assistant. And if you don't want to create an AI assistant, you can create amazing WhatsApp chatbots as well. Create the amazing setup, and according to the setup, the customers or the leads will receive the messages as well. So this is my first automation hack, that how you can automatically reply to all the queries one by one of your customers on WhatsApp. There were 2 parts in this first hack. Now let's move on to our second automation. That is sending broadcast message. Now what is this broadcast message? So let's suppose you have a long list of contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And what you want to do is, to all of them at once in one click, you want to send a product promotional message, birthday wish, festival wish, promoting your sale, or whatnot. You want to send any messages in bulk towards your customers. Now in that case, what you can do? You can simply create a broadcast inside Pabbly Chatflow once without need of any coding and programming skills, and just send or schedule the broadcast and towards all the contacts at once without getting banned. WhatsApp messages are going to be forwarded. So you can see I have created multiple types of broadcasts inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. Let's suppose I've created this festive promotional automation broadcast for real estate store, and this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer. Over here, you need to create a template, a WhatsApp message template first. Using Pabbly Chatflow itself, go to template list section, create the template from this add template button. After creating the template, let's suppose this birthday wish template. You can create a template just like this of birthday wishes, and then after creating the template, when the template has been approved, you can create a broadcast using that template. Let me show you an example over here. This is the broadcast message for new sale offer, and this is the template that is going to be forwarded towards all my contacts. Hi, name. Over here, the name of the customer is going to be added as well from the contact. Great news, we are running a limited time sale with the amazing discounts on our products and services. Don't miss out the chance to grab the best deals. Reply now to get offers below. You can see right over here, a template has been created. This template was selected while creating the broadcast, and automatically that broadcast is created, and I have scheduled this broadcast currently. And using this broadcast feature, you can promote your business at once. Just send messages to all your customers on WhatsApp in one click, okay, and you won't be banned. You can send bulk WhatsApp messages using this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Now one more thing. If you want to see the full tutorials of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot, an AI assistant, how you can set up a broadcast inside Pabbly Chatflow, if you want to learn all the things one by one in brief, you can check out the videos that I've added in the description section below. The videos are going to be there on the I icon as well, where we have teach you of how you can create these things like broadcast, AI assistant, WhatsApp chatbot step by step as well. Okay, I'm just giving you the brief because I'm telling you the top 5 automations currently in the video. That is why I'm not giving you the detail of every single automation. Okay, I'm just telling you what you can do with WhatsApp in your business. But if you like any of our WhatsApp hacks that I'm telling you in this video, the videos are also available. You can check out all the videos as well. Okay, so our second automation, that is broadcast message, is now been done. Okay, so now as we have completed our second automation, let's move on to our third automation. Now the third automation is very useful. If you're a business owner, you promote your business using Facebook lead ads. Now you want that as soon as in your business a Facebook lead is generated, you want to instantly contact to that lead. And best way to contact a lead is by sending a WhatsApp message, because nowadays everyone checks their WhatsApp and are very current with their WhatsApp. So now in this case, we have this amazing next automation that as soon as a new Facebook lead in your business is going to be generated, automatically and instantly at that point, towards that lead, a WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded. Yes, this can be possible using this automation right here that I have created. Over here, towards this lead, a WhatsApp message using WhatsApp Cloud API is forwarded. You can manage your WhatsApp conversations with WhatsApp Cloud API as well. So that's why I've set up this action right over here, WhatsApp Cloud API. Now this hack is going to instantly contact your lead. You will not miss out on any of the leads. With that, if the lead is very interested in your business, they will contact back to you shortly because you were very current with the replies. Okay, so now this hack will be very useful for businesses because you are instantly contacting the leads. Leads are going to be impressed by the way that you have contacted them on time, and you might convert that lead into your paid customer. So this automation is also very useful for businesses, and any business owner, any type of business can create this automation using Pabbly Connect. Yes, using Pabbly Connect, you can create automations just like this. Pabbly Connect allows you to create connections between multiple applications without need of any coding and programming skills. Now, one thing. Now, if you want to purchase any of our Pabbly Connect or Pabbly Chat Flows yearly or lifetime deals, if you're thinking of purchasing to automate your business workflows as well, what if I tell you that I have a secret coupon code for you? The code that you can see on the left side of the screen right here will get you instant discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime deals. Go, use the code, purchase our plan, and automate your business workflows as well. So this was my third hack. Now let's move forward with our fourth hack. That is, you can store your WhatsApp messages in a systematic order in your Google Sheets. Yes, you're listening it correct. You can now create a record of all the WhatsApp messages that you receive in Google Sheets at one place. This is possible. Now, using the connection that you can see on the screen, whenever a new message is received on your WhatsApp, you can save that message inside your Google Sheets instantly. Yes, this is possible. This is the connection right here. If you want to learn how you can connect your Facebook leads to WhatsApp as well as your WhatsApp to Google Sheets, a step-by-step guide, again, videos are in the eye icon as well as in the description section. Now, this was our fourth hack, that you can store and create a systematic record of all your WhatsApp messages, inquiries from your leads, customers, clients at one place using this amazing automation that is going to help you to keep a data of all the messages, a record in one place, so that if you miss out on any of your WhatsApp conversations or if you lose your messages on WhatsApp, you will have a backup of all the conversations in your Google Sheets as well. Okay. Now, this was our fourth hack. Now, let's move on to our fifth hack, that is sending bulk messages from Google Sheets. Yes, this is possible. Now, in this broadcast case, what was happening, that you have to create contacts inside your Pabbly Chat Flow account, and then towards the contacts that you have created in your Pabbly Chat Flow account, then the broadcast message is going to be forwarded. Now, what if you have a record of all the contacts of your customers in your Google Sheets? Then how can you send the bulk messages on WhatsApp? In that case, you have to simply build the connection between Google Sheets and your WhatsApp over here. If you have a long list of customers in Google Sheets, towards all the customers at once creating this automation, you can send a WhatsApp message using this setup. The entire video is on the eye icon. You can go ahead and check it out. Okay? So now these were the 5 amazing WhatsApp hacks just for you. but I have a bonus hack as well. That is, now you can send birthday wishes to all your customers automatically on WhatsApp from your Google Sheets. So imagine you have a record of all the details of customers in Google Sheets where you have the record of their birthday dates as well. Now using this setup that you can see on the screen, you can automatically send birthday wishes to your customers on WhatsApp as well. Every single day, if there are 5 customers, let's suppose I'm taking the example of 5, whose birthday is today. This automation, this day, is going to send them the birthday wish on WhatsApp. Every single day, random customers have their birthdays. To all the customers, the wishes are going to be forwarded using this final hack that we are talking about in this video. So this is an amazing WhatsApp hack because you will have a personal connection with your customers. Customers are going to feel happy. Okay, this business remembers my birthday. So in that case, you can create a very good impression with your customers using this final amazing pro tip for all the business owners. So these are the amazing WhatsApp hacks that I have discussed in this video that will help you to grow your business with WhatsApp to next level. Automation helps businesses to grow to the next level, and these automation hacks are the best. What are you waiting for? I still don't understand that. Why are you not automating your business with these amazing workflows? Go ahead, create the amazing workflows, test it out from your end, and then automate your business workflows. But go and use these automations right away. Okay, now if you have questions or doubts related to any of the hacks that I have discussed in this video, you can comment down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Again, if you want to learn the step-by-step guide of any of the hacks that I have discussed in this video, all the full tutorial links are added in the description section, and you can see all the videos on the I icon as well. If you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime deals of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly Chat Flow, you can check out the code on the left side. That code is in the description as well to get instant discounts. So this was it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.